hope you're having a great day. So I'm out at the farm. I'm getting ready to cut all of these Snapdragons. It is Thursday. I am going to cut as much as I can today and let it condition overnight so I can make my farmer market bouquets tomorrow and have good flowers for my second to last farmer's market. $85 beautiful Snapdragons. I used this longer bucket and it doesn't fit as many, so I only got half of my row done. So I'm gonna go get another bucket and finish my row. I ended up with 152 Snapdragons total. And they're tall. Check out all the bees sleeping. They're all over this plant just sleeping. Oh, I woke one up. $187 zinnias so far, and I still have that row and the rows back there to pick. So it's probably going to be a 200 zinnia day. Look at those. Gorgeous. Well, with this bucket, I got 266 zinnias today. 59 lisianthus. Gorgeous. 35 stems of beautiful Dusty Miller. And I still have a ton. I just cut what I need each week, and this is probably enough for the farmer's market and a bouquet I have to make tomorrow. I cannot get away from tomato plants. Just random tomato plant. 20 stems of Jewels of Opar and 19 stems of Status. I have one gorgeous little Rudbeckia. I did not plant it. Is everybody else's Sweet Annie this tall? It's like an entire tree. It's insane. It got massive. Anyway, 30 stems of Sweet Annie. 40 stems of Cosmos foliage. 25 stems of Mahogany Splendor Hibiscus. 10 stems of Russian Sage. 20 stems of Sunset Hyssop. And a basket of lavender. Yay! It's really short, but it's my first lavender. I had cut a little bit before, but not that much. That's exciting. And I also weeded one row while I was cutting it. So there's still a lot of rows I could cut lavender from, I guess, and weed.